Just because it's Halloween season doesn't mean your entire diet needs to be spooky. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to take a bite on the healthy side with a frightfully simple meal without scary ingredients. Baja Cilantro Grain Bowl with shrimp. To begin, open a 10-ounce package of Fish Market Easy Peel and Deveined raw shrimp that's been thawed and peeled. Pat the shrimp dry with paper towels, place in a medium bowl, and set aside. Shrimp is an excellent source of lean protein and provides the mineral selenium, which helps support a healthy immune system and thyroid health. Next, in a food processor or blender, pour in a half cup of avocado oil, a fourth cup of fresh cilantro, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon of Hy-Vee honey, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Cover and process for 20 to 30 seconds or until smooth. Pour half the sauce over the shrimp and set the rest aside. Then toss to coat. Next, heat a large nonstick skillet over medium heat. Add the shrimp mixture and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the shrimp reach 145 degrees. Stir occasionally, then remove from heat and set aside when it's done. After that, microwave 2 pouches of Full Circle Market 7-grain blend according to package directions. Divide the grains between 4 serving bowls and top with 1 cup of drained and rinsed, no salt added black beans, 1 cup of corn, shrimp, and the reserve sauce. If desired, serve with thick and chunky salsa and plain Greek yogurt. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And be sure to protect yourself from getting the flu this year by getting your flu shot at your Hy-Vee pharmacy. There's no appointment necessary, and you'll earn a 20-cent fuel saver.